Introducing the Cotto Space Solution 4, a white close-couple toilet with soft close seat, crafted in Thailand and one of several toilets in the Cotto range, known for their efficiency and quality. With a name that speaks for itself, the Cotto Space Solution close-couple toilet boasts a space-saving, cutting-edge design with naturally curved lines. The U-shaped bowl and considered skirt design conceals the trap, giving this toilet a cleaner, more modern look that is also easier to maintain. Floor standing with a soft close seat, the Cotto Space Solution close-couple toilet is back to wall, concealing all plumbing at the rear. The toilet seat and cistern lid are super slim, and the overall design carries the SCG Eco Value Label, thanks to fewer raw materials used in its production, as well as its impressive water-saving credentials. The Cotto Space Solution close-couple toilet's top flush design offers a controlled and quieter flush, while also using less water, thanks to its efficient dual flush system, which gives the option of 2 flush volumes. With its sleek design, efficient flushing system, and eco-chic footprint, the Cotto Space Solution toilet suite is the perfect choice for the modern bathroom, offering style, quality, and sustainability for years to come. Shop the Cotto range online or in-store at Italtile.